Hey guys, Mayra here. So I'm going to be showing you my quick makeup routine that I am obsessed with. I am priming my face right now with our setting spray. It's going to keep my 3D foundation lasting all day long. I'm going to be using this little magic compact. This is my makeup bag. It has everything that I need for my face and more, and I'll be doing my entire face with this. So I like to start off with my all over foundation color. I usually use a brush for this, but I want to show you that there really is no wrong way to do this. I have a little bit of rosacea and discoloration, so I just apply this cream foundation that looks like a second skin. It's so easy to work with and it's not cakey at all. I apply it just in the areas that I feel that need the most coverage, and what I love the most about this cream foundation is that it blends so easily. It melts onto the skin. Secondly, I'll be using a lighter color. This will just bring lightness and brightness to my face. So whenever I color match you for this foundation, depending on your skin, I usually will recommend about 2 colors. It just depends on what you're needing. Now we're gonna do a little bit of contour, and for those of you that are scared of contour, let me let you know that with cream contour, it is just so easy to work with. And as you can see, I'm only applying the contour where I didn't have the foundation. It's just really gonna slim down my face, give me that dimension. It is so easy to work with because the cream product, just like I said, melts onto the skin. So adding it underneath my jawline is going to give me that chiseled jaw, and then I like to do it on my lips. And we have different sizes of compacts, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the second layer, and here's where I have my bronzer. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of that right beneath or above where I put the contour, and it's just gonna give me that beautiful warmth. I'm not really doing much on eyeshadow. I'm keeping it super simple. So I do like to use my bronzer or even my contour on my eyelids. Next, this is my tool, the only tool that I will be using throughout this whole entire application. And I'm just gonna be blending very lightly in circular motions. We have different brushes as well. So honestly, there really is no wrong way for you to do this. As you can see, it just magically blends so beautifully. Everything just marries together, which makes this makeup so special. So you can really achieve very lightweight, medium weight, or coverage, all of that. So now that I blended all of that together, we're gonna go on in with our lip and cheek colors. We have glossy shades, we have satin matte shades. The shade is a beautiful shade called Saffron, and I think it's just really beautiful for the fall, for the holidays, that pop of color. But all of this makeup is customizable to your needs. We have different colors for every skin, so no need to worry if you're wanting to get color matched. I would be more than happy to do so. Now I'm blending everything together, and even with the lip and cheek colors, you can even use those on your eyes as well. There really is so many ways that you can use this makeup. As far as the contour and stuff, you can use it to fill in your brows. Now we have a setting powder, so if you have oily skin, you can definitely use this makeup as well. You can just set it with a powder. This is called our Illuminator. Kind of just gives that really nice highlighting glow. We have it in powder and in cream, and I like to use it above my cheekbones. I even use it on my eyes, on my nose. There really is so many ways that you can use this, and it really just enhances your makeup look. And then a little bit of eyeshadow. And as you can see, I'm doing it with my finger. That's just how easy this makeup is to work with. I blend it with the same brush that I blended everything with. Get a little bit more of that Illuminator. Add that touch of glow, and it's just so simple. It's so simple. I love it. I'll set everything with our setting spray. If you have mascara, put your mascara on and you are good to go. So this 3D foundation is just the newest thing. So make sure to visit my link. It's down here at the bottom for your free color match.